Working on this old 89 S10 Blazer of mine. Not really working on it. Making some room. I'm going to clean it up and try to preserve it until I'm ready to work on it. The floor's still pretty straight on this one. Except for right there. And on the body I have some pretty bad rust right here. More than pretty bad. Cut that out and do some exhaust right there. Seems like a good idea. Pull the dash out and put it in my black truck. That way I can wrap it little by little, work on it little by little. Alright, get this cleaned up and put this old carpet from a Tahoe or something in it, just so it has something on the floor. And that'll make some room for me to store some stuff in it. But before I do that, I need to clean all this dirt up. And probably grind that rust off. And put some paint, something over that. Keep it from getting too much worse.